Earlier in our conversations about forces, we discussed how a force is a push or a pull. Then we completed a conversation and an experiment regarding the force of friction, or the force of resistance between any two objects that are in contact with each other. We said that friction slows down the movements of objects. While we were discussing forces, several students raised a hand to share that gravity is an example of a force. Today, we are going to focus on the force of gravity and complete an experiment to help us better understand gravity and its relationship to falling objects. We can define gravity as the force of attraction between any two objects that have mass. Last year in second grade STEM, we learned that term mass, and we defined mass as the stuff that makes up an object, or the stuff that makes up matter. So, just about everything that we come in contact with has mass. And the more mass that something has, the greater its force of gravity is. So if we think about objects that we come in contact with every day, and right now I have a pencil in front of me, I have my water bottle in front of me, I have a notebook in front of me. These objects have mass, but their mass is nothing compared to the mass of the planet that we're on. This is why the mass of these objects are most attracted to the Earth, because the Earth is so much more massive than anything else they will ever come in contact with. So, if I have this pencil and I were to drop it, the mass of my pencil is attracted to the Earth's gravitational pull, because the Earth's mass is so much more massive than the other things it's by, such as my water bottle, myself, my notepad, that their masses don't really affect my pencil's attraction to the Earth at all, because they're not nearly as large as my Earth, and therefore their gravitational pull is not as strong. The mass of my water bottle and the water inside of it, and the mass of my body and everybody else's body, is attracted towards the Earth's mass and the Earth's gravitational pull way more than they're attracted to each other's gravitational pull. So that's why, all objects will be attracted to Earth's mass because of the force of gravity.